Hello guys, welcome back to Cafe Russian. Меня зовут Chris, my name is Chris, and today we are going to compare two Russian words, ДРУГОЙ and РАЗНЫЙ. ДРУГОЙ and РАЗНЫЙ. Both of these words can mean different, but we use them, well, differently in a sentence. And that's a very common mistake among Russian students, and even sometimes Russian speakers. Let's find out what's the difference and how to use it properly in a sentence. Well, basically, when you have one object and you want a different one, that is ДРУГОЙ. But if you have two objects and you want to say that they are different comparing to each other, that is РАЗНЫЙ. That is РАЗНЫЙ. And usually РАЗНЫЙ we use with plural nouns. For example, разные города, like different cities. Разные города. Like мы живем в разных городах. We live in different cities. So the ending is slightly different because it's plural, plus it's a different case, it's not nominative. Here it is prepositional for plural. Мы живем в разных городах. But remember that if, cases is not something that you are familiar with in Russian, it's not a huge mistake if you confuse cases sometimes, and most of the times, you will be understood correct. For example, if you say «Мы живем в разные города», it's not grammatically correct, but it's perfectly understandable. It's perfectly understandable. Let's have more practice and more examples. You can say «Давай посмотрим другой фильм». Let's watch a different movie. Давай посмотрим другой фильм. Because I don't want this one, I want a different one. So different from this. I want a different one. It's like I'm not comparing, I'm just saying that a different one. Давай посмотрим другой фильм. Or you can say давай закажем другую еду. Let's order different food, like something different. Let's order to eat something different. Давай закажем другую еду. So again, because еда is feminine and it's a different case here, but if you say давай закажем другая еда, that's understandable. So давай закажем другую еду. Давай посмотрим другой фильм. So here you're not comparing anything. You just say that you want something different from this variant. But if you want to say у нас разные вкусы, we have different tastes. У нас разные вкусы. So here I'm comparing my taste to someone else's. So that's why I say разные. У нас разные вкусы. Or нам нравятся разные книги. We like different books. Also here I'm comparing books that I like to books that someone else likes. So, and they are different. Они разные. So другой, it's like no comparison here. It's like not this one, just something different. I don't care which one, just something different from this one. But разные, I'm comparing and see that things are different. У нас разные вкусы. Or нам нравятся разные книги. That's actually a very tricky phrase, a fixed expression here. In English you say I like. In Russian it's a fixed construction мне нравится. So we don't use the first form of a subject. You don't say я нравится. Actually, this mistake will be confusing if you make it. It sounds like someone likes me or I'm liked by someone. We say мне нравится. Or we like, нам нравится. So, нам нравятся разные книги. Or you can say в Санкт-Петербурге и Москве погода часто разная. In Moscow and St. Petersburg, weather is usually different. В Санкт-Петербурге и Москве погода часто разная. Or, how would you say, he studied in a different university? So he studied in a different, not in this one, he studied in a different university. Он учился в другом университете. Or you can say институте. Он учился в другом институте. Because I'm not comparing, I'm just saying that it's not this one, it's a different one, but I'm not comparing. Or, if you want to say me and him, we studied in different universities. That would be мы учились в разных институтах. Because here I'm comparing. Мы учились в разных институтах. So that's a tricky one, I agree, and I recommend you to practice. So make your own examples. Like, you know, the more the better. If you are enthusiastic about it, you can make like the whole list of examples. So try to make at least 5. At least 5 and pronounce them out loud. So practice these 2 words to really like feel the difference, to really understand in what case you need what word. And you can share your examples with us in the comments and we will see what guys you came up with and maybe check it together. Or if you have any questions, we will answer them together. Well, basically, let's share our examples. And if guys you are interested in more videos, in more Russian practice, like longer videos, 40 minutes, 1 hour, with vocabulary, with grammar. And if you'd like to meet every month with me and the other Russian learners to practice your Russian, even if you are a beginner, we have different levels and we have different meetings and we are all very friendly to help each other. That's actually what I do on my Patreon page. So you can check it out. So the link will be in the description. The subscription costs $10 a month or $25 a month if you want, plus 1 meeting with me, private 101 tutoring meeting every month. And you can cancel your subscription anytime, no hard feelings. I'm actually really happy even if you're just considering to do it, or if you just watch my videos on YouTube. That's very great and I'm really grateful for these guys. I really hope they are useful for you. And if you have any questions, please leave a note for me. I will try to answer and see you all in the next video, guys. Пока-пока!